Hey guys, so here's another episode with regards to ITP, and this time, of course, everyone needs to see how the withdrawal works. So I haven't made any withdrawals yet from this project, and for the sake of my team who are asking withdrawal proof. All right, so there are lots of withdrawals happening in the community and they have the proofs already, but on my own I need to see it how the withdrawal works, how long will it take. So just like I've said, guys, my total capital from this account is just 456 USDT, so it's less than $500, but this time I want to withdraw 500. All right, and as you can see, I have a balance of 651 total assets. And flexible fund, that's the amount I can withdraw. All right, and I have a total to release funds, which is I have earned yesterday. So this is the 72-hour fund review mechanism, which makes this platform very stable and sustainable. So yeah, I really love the system and I just want to try the withdrawals. Okay, so I recommend you guys to do the same. All right, so ITP is very stable. All right, so it's just for purpose of my proof of withdrawals, and maybe I will put it back so that I can still earn 2.8% daily because I'm on a G2 already. Okay, so when I withdraw this $500, I will go back to G1. Okay, because because the requirements for G2 is to have at least $500 capital. When I withdraw my $500, the remaining balance or asset will be $151 only. So yeah, if I compound that amount again and reach 500, then that's the time that I will earn 2.8% again. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed on withdrawals now. And by the way, guys, before you do the withdrawals, make sure that you're not haven't started the quantization. Okay, because when you've done that, the amounts will goes to the what do you call that, the to release funds, and if that happens, you cannot withdraw your funds because it will go back to release funds and you need to wait for 24 hours. Just to clarify, you guys, the only amount that you can withdraw is the amounts that reflected on your flexible fund. Okay, so now you can see that I haven't performed my quantization yet. I have 6 out of 6 quantization. So that's the rule, guys. Part of the stability of the company as well. So yeah, everything works fine and many people are making lots of money from this project. Okay, so now let's do my withdrawals. All right, so let's go to asset and click withdrawal. So by the way, guys, there's also a rule on withdrawals, which is there's a 7% fee for those who are doing withdrawals every 48 hours. Okay, but it's free within 21 days. So if you're not withdrawing your funds within 21 days, yeah, you can withdraw with 0 fees. Okay, but if you withdraw within 21 days and then the next day you withdraw again, you're going to have a handling fee of 7%. Okay, so as you can see, I have a free withdrawal day left of 12 days. So it's my 10th day and I never did a withdrawal, so this is my first time to see how it works. Okay, and how fast the withdrawal is. All right, so before I do that, let me get my USDT TRC20 on my Binance. Okay, so how you do that, just click deposit, select USDT, and yeah, make sure it's on TRC20 network. Okay, now copy the address, go back to ITP and then paste the address here and make sure that's the correct address. All right, and then if I click the all amounts, I can withdraw 610. But again, I still want to continue my trading, so I just want to withdraw $500. From this $500, I've already made like 40 something USDT profit. Okay, so now let's quick snap on the withdrawal rules. So each withdrawal usually takes up to 72 hours to reach the cryptocurrency wallet. So not exactly 72 hours, but that's the maximum hours waiting time. And then after each withdrawal reaches the cryptocurrency wallet, it takes 48 hours before a new withdrawal can be initiated. So it means a lot of rules before we can do transactions from this project. That's why it's really a very sustainable project. Okay, so that's okay for me. And yeah, you can read everything here. The rules are here, everything is here. So yeah, attachment withdrawal fee is 7%, withdrawal amount $35 to 1,000. So just read that, guys. Now let me proceed my withdrawals. Okay, everything's good. Click OK. Please set the fund password. All right, so transaction password, let me try. By the way, guys, when you register your account, you were asked to put your transaction password. So this is the one. It's different from your login password. Okay, there you go. So withdrawal success, and that's it. I will update you. All right, so here it is, guys. Updated my withdrawals. So it didn't take 72 hours. In my case, it's just less than 6 hours. I received my withdrawals, which is 465 USDT. And yeah, I've got this notification. I was sleeping that time. So 3 hours ago, I received this notification from Binance of 465 USDT deposited on my account. So this is my withdrawals from ITP. Okay, so the withdrawals is not instant, but it's really fast. Okay, some people says they've got their withdrawals within 12 hours. So that's it, guys. And yeah, I'm very excited. This is the longest passive income on trading I've known so far. Okay, and yeah, ITP made my my trust again to invest in crypto. And yeah, watch out for my next video. I will tackle up why ITP is different from platforms out there. Thank you so much again for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any updates and announcements with regards to our projects. And I'll see you all. Thank you so much and happy earnings, everyone. Bye-bye.